Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Colin from Cahoots, mate, coming at you with another Tokyo treat box. This is March's box, I believe. I don't think that I have to go into depth. I'll put the link in the description of obviously what Tokyo Treat is. It's a subscription service and you basically get two different types of boxes that you can get. The classic one and then the premium version. This is the premium version that I've got here, and I'm going to do this video a bit different. It's just going to be me with a seductive, sexy voiceover, and I might put a couple of pictures, Instagram quality pictures of me sexily, seductively eating the sweets for you. As you can see, let's just get straight into it. I'll open this box now. It weighs a lot more than the old boxes, so I'm thinking that it's going to be a lot more like heavier type items in here, this box. Obviously it's just Japanese sweets, but let's basically get into it. You're probably sick of me talking. Ooh, right, so here we have the manual, the magazine, and it basically just, if we flip it over to the middle, yep, here we go. Right, that's, yep, as you can see at the top there, March's snack menu. And I'll just quickly scroll through, and if you pause it or whatever, I'll see if I can do it slow enough for you so you can see what I've basically got this month. There we go. Right, let's get rid of that manual now. And then here you go, we've got another thank you note. They put one of these in every month, and it basically, if you scan this QR code and write a review on Trustpilot, you could be in with a view of winning some Kit Kats basically for free. Then there's another note here for a Japanese tea box, and if I use this code here, it gives me 4 extra items for life for free. Ooh, if you like tea and snacks, you're welcome to see if you can try this code, see if it works. I'm pretty sure it will, because obviously it's just a code. They're not going to ask me for any of my Tokyo Treat information, because it's going to be a different website. Right, let's get rid of all that paper over there. Mate, already look at how packed the box is. We'll go with this item first. Right, the first item is Kalbi Osaka Ginger Tempura Flavoured Crisps. Red pickled ginger tempura is known as Osaka soul food, and you get to enjoy it in these savoury, slightly sour potato chips from Kalbi. Sick. Right, the next item, we'll go with this one here, this lovely sexy pink packet. Caramel corn hinimatsuri peach flavour. We're celebrating Girls' Day with a light and crunchy caramel corn inside this cool Girls' Day limited edition packet. You'll find pink and white snacks made of 100% Japanese grown peaches. Awesome. Right, the next item that we've got, Pokemon Hinimatsuri. Choco corn, this one is. So this is chocolate. And I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, you could put these in milk and it'd be like cereal. Obviously they're made to be ate like snacks, but I am 100% sure that you can put these in milk and you can eat these, because they're kind of like, they're maize. They're made of like maize, they're like maize snacks, and that's cereal. and these are obviously Eevee shaped. There we go. Right, the next item on the list that we got, we'll go with this one here. It's the Umabo Tongkatsu sauce flavour. And it basically is sweet and spicy tonkatsu. And tonkatsu is pork cutlet. So it's the sauce from a pork so a pork cutlet's been cooked, and the sauce that came is getting put into this crisp, and this crisp has a hole in the middle that you bite into it, and then you can see all the way through. Right, enough of that. Next item is Yaki Soba Taro, and these are basically like dried noodles that you can, if you wanted to try them another way, you could put them in hot water. There's nothing more to it than that. The next item on the list is the Melon Pandora cookie, and it's basically a cookie, tastes like melon, shaped like a panda's face. Sick. Then we have Yaki sauce flavour, and these are basically rice crackers with Yaki sauce. Here we have the next item, which is pudding Daifuku, and that is basically a little marshmallow, and it's got a creamy pudding filling inside, and it's probably like, you know that weird like custard pudding that's like dry and it's got the caramel sauce on the top? It's probably going to be that. The next item on the list is Texas corn Okonomiyaki, and these are basically just potato snacks with Okonomiyaki sauce. Right, the next thing on the list, we'll go with this pink packet here. It is Taro Beans, and this packet here is done as a tribute to the legend, which is Momo Taro, the Peach Boy. Then we've got the next item here, which is Baby Kaki Mochi. It's a treat for both kids and grown-ups alike. Salty and fluffy rice crackers. Awesome. Then the 12th item on the list is these spicy gran crackers. Right. Now we're coming to the premium edition items that you get. You get 5 extra premium editions. 12 items standard in the classic. Premium edition, you get 5 extra. So here we have the Melon cream soda, and it's basically milky melon flavoured soda with vanilla flavoured ice cream. What's not to like? Then we'll go with these. This is the Kit Kats. The Kit Kats are peach parfait flavour, and obviously, if I remember correctly, peach parfait is a French dessert. It's got booze in it, it's got cream in it, it's got like marshmallows in it. What's not to love? Then we have, which I was quite happy with when I opened as soon as you opened the box, you could see the Pringles straight away. These are miso cup ramen flavour, and it's basically vegetable and spices. Vegetable and spices ramen flavoured Pringles. Pretty sick, right? Then we'll go with these chocolate pancakes. They're basically like Oreos, but it's got the chocolate filling instead of cream. White, obviously, but it's chocolate, so it's black. And it's got 2 pancakes. Fuck me, tasty, mate. Fucking, there's nothing else to it. And then last but not least, you've got the Piriki potato flavoured sticks. And apparently these are made from German potatoes. Yeah. Weird, right? As always, you've been magnificent, beautiful, and lovely. I love yous. Thank you.